Urgent update, urgent update, urgent update. Breaking news. Nah, not really, but it is really. Your Turo host experience means everything. I don't care if you have a beautiful Ferrari. I don't care if it's the nicest car ever. If you're rude to your tour guests or you're not punctual, the car is dirty, it destroys the whole experience. I don't care how beautiful the car is. It's crazy. Some people have some of the what some people consider the most eyesore having cars, like the cars that just don't look good, do the best because they have to prove so much more because the car doesn't look so great. Sometimes you get a little lackadaisical or comfortable just because your car is beautiful. Never take your foot off the pedal, literally and figuratively. Do your best to always make sure you satisfy your Turo guests. Turo's about the experience, and the more you do, I don't care how nice your car is, do not allow that to substitute your kindness, respect, punctuality, and professionalism. Be all these things no matter how good or bad your car is. This works wonders. If you have a beautiful car, you just meet their expectations. If you actually have a car that doesn't look that beautiful, you basically went over their expectations. It's a win-win situation. That's the breaking news. That's the update. Make sure you don't forget your tour guests' customer experience. Carlino.